Hey, it's MrLwitwma. Welcome to day 10 of creating my own business. So I have not uploaded any video for the past 4 or 5 days. Well, let me show you what I was working on for these few days, okay? So here's what I did. I created some data for my dictionary. For like 2 days, I just worked on my dictionary. You can listen to some music and watch this coding sped up video. Now, let me show you my new project. Okay, now it's not that BitQ project. Now it's just a language detection model. For this, I collected a lot of data set from different sources. Okay, and currently it supports like 6 or 7 languages. I forgot. Like I just recently updated it again. And so this is the process. I created it. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe.